Greetings to one and all. I am Tanya Babu, Research Scholar in the Department of Mathematics, CMS College, Kottayam, Kerala, India. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee of this Karelian conference, SMARTY 2020, for giving me such an opportunity to present a paper through this online platform. The title of the paper is An MMAP PH1 Retail Queue with two types of customers and priority generation through retrials. This is a joint paper with VC Joshua, A. Krishnamurthy, and Ambli P. Matthew. Outline of the presentation. Abstract, introduction, model description, steady state analysis, performance measures, and references. Abstract of the paper. We consider a single server retail queue with non-priority and priority customers. A non-priority customer who remains in the system after a certain number of retrials acquires priority and get the same service as for the priority customers. A customer arrives according to Markov-Markovian arrival process and service time follows phase type distribution. We perform the steady state analysis of the queuing model and some performance measures are also evaluated. Introduction. A model is a simplified version of something that is real. If we use mathematical language to make models, they are called mathematical models. Modeling tools play a key role in the study of queues. In this paper, we consider a queuing model which deals with priority generation coming out of retrials. Motivation of the model. In an airport, some airlines have preferences in getting into service either due to financial or some other criteria. At the same time, some other airlines without priority can never be denied of service forever. After some unsuccessful retrial attempts, they may also be treated at par with priority classes and get into service. Such priorities are not inherited but generated after a certain number of unsuccessful retrial attempts. This model is motivated by the paper, A Retail Queue with Multiple Hierarchical Orbits and Orbital Search. Model description. Here we consider a single server retial queuing system with an infinite orbit, a finite number say m-1 hierarchical orbits and a finite buffer with capacity n. If the server is free at the time of arrival of a primary customer, they are immediately taken for service and they leave the service area after being served. If the server is busy at the time of arrival of a primary customer, they enter into an orbit named as orbit 1, from where they can make retrials for entering into service. We assume that orbit 1 can hold an infinite number of customers. Customers in the orbit R, where R lies between 2 and m-1, retries for getting into service. If the retrial attempt was successful, the customer from orbit 1 enters the service facility and leaves the system after being served. If it was not successful, then instead of returning to the same orbit as in the case of ordinary retail queues, the customer moves to another orbit, say orbit 2 with the probability p, or leaves the orbit with probability 1 minus p. If a retrial from orbit 2 is unsuccessful, customer is placed in another orbit, say orbit 3 with the probability p, or leaves the orbit with probability 1 minus p, and so on. Any customer who has completed I retrials is placed in orbit I plus 1, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. m minus 2 with probability p, or leaves the orbit with probability 1 minus p. After unsuccessful retrial from the m-1th orbit, the customer generates priority and enters into the buffer if there is space available. Otherwise, the customer enters into orbit M. We also assume that each of the finite capacity orbits can hold individually and collectively a finite number, say k customers, where k greater than or equal to m. Here we assume that the customer arrive according to Markovian arrival process with representation D0, D1, D2 of order n. Customer in the orbit R, where 1 less than or equal to R less than or equal to m minus 1, retries for getting into the service facility at time intervals which are exponentially distributed with rate IR mu, where IR is the number of customers present in orbit R at the time of the retry. We also assume that the service time of non-priority customer follow phase type distribution with the representation PH alpha T with L phases, and the service time of priority customer follow phase type distribution with representation PH beta S with M phases. For the mathematical formulation of the model, we assume the random variables as Ni of T with the number of customers in orbit I, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to M. Nb of T, the number of customers in the finite buffer. C of T, the server status, which takes a value 0 if the server is idle, 1 if the server is busy with non-priority customer, 2 if the server is busy with priority customer. J1 of T be the phase of the service process, and J2 of T be the phase of the arrival process at time T. And the Bohr model can be represented by the Markov process chi of T like this, with the state space omega is equal to omega 1 unit omega 2, where omega 1 and omega 2 are given here. The transition rates corresponding to the transitions of the macro states of the form I1, I2, etc. Im, Jk, where I1, I2, etc. Im denotes the number of customers in orbit 1, 2, 3, etc. up to M. J denotes the number of customers in the buffer, and K the server status. And some of the transition rates corresponding to the arrival of a non-priority customer to an idle server, arrival of a priority customer to an idle server, arrival of non-priority customer to the orbit 1 when the server is busy is given here. Also, entry of a non-priority customer from orbit R to the orbit R plus 1 when the server is given, server is busy, and entry into orbit 2 from orbit 1, successful retrial from orbit R also given this table. Then entry into the buffer from orbit n minus 1, the entry into orbit M from orbit n minus 1, and service completion of a non-priority customer if Im is equal to 0 and J is equal to 0. The transition rates are given in this table, and also some of the transition rates of the service completion of priority customer, service completion of a non-priority customer is also given in this table. The Markov process under consideration is a level dependent QBD, and so we use the Newton-Raoult transition method for the analysis, and we let the cutoff point as L, and the Markov chain is positive recurrent if and only if it satisfies the drift condition pi A0 T less than pi A2E, where A0, A1, A2 are upper diagonal and lower diagonal matrices of the infinitesimal generator of the truncated QBD process. Under the stability condition, the steady state probability vector is obtained like this, and also the vectors x0, etc., xl minus 1 are also obtained by solving the boundary equation subject to the normalizing condition. Performance measures. For the evaluation of the performance measures, we assume that the summation with respect to each IR is up to SR, where R is equal to 2, 3, etc. up to M, where SR is equal to minimum of K minus sigma over S is equal to 2 to M, where S not equal to R, IS. And some of the performance measures like expected number of customers in the orbit 1, expected number of customers in the hierarchical orbits, and expected number of customers in the buffer is evaluated, and the expected number of customers in the system is the sum of the expected number of customers in the orbit 1 and the expected number of customers in the hierarchical orbit and the expected number of customers in the buffer. And also the probability that a customer is lost from the orbit 1 when the total number of customers in the hierarchical orbit is k is also evaluated. Conclusion. We intend to extend this paper by finding the optimum values of m, k, and n. That is the number of hierarchical orbits, then total holding capacity of hierarchical orbit, and the capacity of the buffer. And some of the references are also given. Thank you.